What is the word, my fellow reptile nerds? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are keeping lots of reptiles, breeding lots of reptiles, and also enjoying your reptiles. Like always, it's my heart that people realize that reptiles make amazing pets and not just some creepy crawlies that the media and TV shows always portray them as. So I just had a friend from work pick up a leopard gecko, and he's also seeing how awesome they are. He's always telling me how amazing it is. How he's trained it and it climbs up his hand. That is my goal, guys, is to get people involved and loving reptiles. That's what I'm all about. Anyways, guys, if you guys are new here though, or seasoned veterans, and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, guys. Also hit that like button and also hit that notification bell. It keeps you in the loop of all my upcoming videos. I do release videos every Tuesday and every Saturday, and sometimes in between if I have like an unboxing or something special, but always Tuesday and Saturday. So guys, today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite enhancer genes. If you guys watch my channel, you guys will know that I've been jockeying on this forever. I've always thought about doing a video about it. So it's going to be the Orange Dream. And I'm going to tell you why I think the Orange Dream is the best enhancer. I'm going to give you 5 combinations that I think it looks fire in, but there's so many different combinations I can show you. I can show you 100 combinations. If I had a video, I could make it an hour long. This is actually one I could talk about all day long. But let's get started, and we'll do it right after this. All right, guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be truthful on this one. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm gonna be a little fanboyish on this one. The reason I'm making this video is I do all these videos to help you guys start out and start breeding ball pythons or reptiles and kind of encourage you guys. This one right here is going to be more of an encouragement because I want you guys to see why it's worth doing this, why it's worth putting the time in, why it's worth putting the effort in. These are not my snakes. These are someone that's way ahead of me, and this is my goals that I'm hoping to do in the next 5 to 6 years. That's what keeps me motivated, and I kind of want to share it with you guys so you guys can see the potential of what's to come if you guys stick it out. So today I'm talking about one of my favorite enhancer genes. Actually is my favorite. You guys know I love Orange Dream. Aussie Boyd's, I've bought quite a few snakes from him. He's always treated me well. But first of all, guys, when we talk about Orange Dream, this is what I've heard and this is what I've seen personally, that there is more than one version of Orange Dream. This is what I've actually heard from watching a video from Aussie, and I've heard this from other people, that there is a couple out there. One is the most bright orange. There's a couple that are a little bit lighter. They're not as bright. The line that you get from Aussie Boys is actually a really bright orange. That's the only one I really mess with. I bought from other people that have Orange Dream, but they all got their line originally from Aussie. So first of all, quality is more important than quantity. If you can afford one snake that has really amazing quality, you're gonna always trump having 4 or 5 snakes that don't have the best quality. Honestly, guys, go for quality first, because you'll thank yourself later, because when you breed that snake and you sell that babies for a lot more, people are gonna come back to you and wanna buy from you. Quality always trumps quantity in my mind. When it comes to breeding ball pythons, when it comes to breeding reptiles, always go for quality. Anyways, guys, there's a lot of enhancers out there. I use vanilla, I use pastel, of course. I have a lot of them. I totally use, I even use Inchy and lots of stuff. I use it as an enhancer gene. Inchy is really high up on the list for me, but it is not my favorite. Orange Dream is definitely my favorite. And guys, let's get started. I'm gonna show you some pictures here. A lot of these are Aussie posted on Instagram, but honestly, guys, I could go on all day how I love this gene. And I'm actually right now personally trying to get it into, I'm trying to make a pied ultra male Orange Dream snake. That's what I'm working on right now. I've been trying to get this for a while, hit this all together. It's one of the things I love, but let me show you some things that he's done and you guys are gonna be amazed. If you guys are not amazed, maybe you guys should have your eyes checked out. Anyways, let's start with this one. I saw this one on Instagram when he posted this one. It blew my mind. And this one is Super OD Fire Blade Clown. Love Blade. I don't have Blade in my collection. Shame on me, because I do love Blade. I love how it looks. But dude, when I saw this one, I just like my mouth was like foaming because I wanted to make this one so bad. Honestly, I'm not quite there yet, but this one is so amazing, guys. I mean, you can see that Orange Dream pop in there. Obviously, there's other genes that make it that crazy of a combo, but I just love the way the orange pops, guys. Obviously, you know me, that orange just is my thing. Orange and black are like really my colors. Anyways, guys, this is something that I might work towards in the future, but guys, I'm just showing you why Orange Dream is definitely one of my favorite enhancers. All right, we're gonna show this one right here. This one's actually not too crazy to hit. I mean, it's gonna be a little bit harder, but it's not that crazy, because actually these genes are not that expensive, and you could probably get these for pretty cheap and start out. This one is actually, with the collection I have, I definitely could work on this one, and it's gonna be the Super OD Fire Spider. This one I think is amazing. I'm starting to really get into spider. At first, I didn't really want nothing to do with spiders. I have to actually make a video recounting how I feel about spiders, because I do have spiders and I have no wiggle with them. The head bobble I've seen in other morphs more than I have seen it in any spiders. Me personally, and I have seen spiders like on YouTube and stuff that look pretty bad. I don't know what happened to them. I don't know if it's from the spider gene, or maybe something was, a lot of these ones that they're rescued, so they might have been treated really bad, so I don't know. But I'm starting to change my feeling on spiders, because I think they're really amazing. This one right here, guys, is just freaking awesome. There's no other way to say it. Oh my God, this one, like, man, I get my my teeth for this one right here, and it is an Orange Dream GHI Freeway. Oh my God, I love Freeways, I love GHI, and I just love the way the orange comes out in this one. My God, guys, this is awesome. If you guys don't think this is awesome, man, you might need to have your eyes checked, because this thing is so amazing. I mean, it's just screaming. And I've seen some really high-end morphs that are like really expensive. This one right here, guys, it's not that crazy expensive, and man, it's definitely one of my top 10 of my favorite ones I've ever seen. This is by far definitely one I want to own, because I just love the look of it. And this one right here, guys, is Smoking 2. Let's look at it right here. Orange Dream Yellow Belly Pastel Inchy Pied. Pied winning, Orange Dream winning, Inchy Pied winning. This just takes it over the top. Honestly, guys, I can show you some more pied that Aussie Boy's done with his. Some of them are just freaking crazy. But this one, I love pied, guys. I love Orange Dream. This one is just winning, guys. I'm just trying to show you the amazing possibilities of this gene. People ask me all the time, why do I love Orange Dream so much? And I just wanted to make a video of why I do. And this is definitely why, because it just calls my name, guys, honestly. All right, guys, I said the best for last. This is a post he put on Twitter a while back, and I told you guys I'm a big Aussie fan. This is kind of what I'm working for, but this is a little bit ahead of what I am. But this is what my goal is in the future. And this is kind of like in between them right here. So let me show you these right here. The one on the left is going to be a Super Orange Dream Ghost Pied. It's het for ultra male, but that don't really matter. That's just wow, guys. And then on the right hand side, Super OD Yellow Belly Ultra Male. I just want to show you guys the potential of the Orange Dream, and you can see why I'm always talking about it. And I do get text messages and people like, why you love it so much? And I just want to show the potential. Obviously, these are not my snakes. These are something I'm working towards, maybe years down the road. but this is why I've always talked about Aussie Voids in my older videos, is because I totally love this guy. That's just my favorite enhancer gene out there. I do love Inchy. There's some other ones I do love, but that one's just my favorite. Anyways, guys, I hope that kind of explains why I'm such an OD fan. If you guys wouldn't mind, check out some other videos right here. Also, hit that subscribe button, guys. It helps me out. Anyways, guys, I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family, being part of my videos. I do love you guys. I am thankful that you guys are part of my life and part of my videos. Anyways, guys, I will see you next time. I'm out of here. Peace.